Good afternoon, railroad fans, Cajon Pass. Buddy and I hope you're doing well. We went out this morning, caught a whole bunch of really good trains for you. We hope you like what you see. Please give us a thumbs up, share with your family and friends. If you can go a little bit further, please help us out on Patreon, where we have YouTube membership, Super Chat, and Super Thanks. All right, take care, you guys. We love you, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks. Alright, railroad fans, going past main track number 1, eastbound. We're at milepost about 73.7 on the BNSF set, Cajon subdivision, Southern California. Just dropped Route 66 here. Well, we hope you like what you see. Please subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. Give us a thumbs up and think about a super thanks. Keep us going strong. It's starting to get pretty warm out here now. All right, we love you guys. You know what to do. Subscribe. Get those notifications. All right, we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and watch a few more. Take care, you guys. Love you. Uh-oh, we got a tie down coming off. And we're at 2 minutes and 47 seconds. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Yeah, this train's been tied down on main track number 2 or 3. I think it's on 2. For quite a while now. So let's get it. Little double combo for you. He's not in the honking waving mood. Probably just woke up. 5588. Nice dash 9. Alright, we have a port stack. A lot of international containers. I call them a box of crayons. They're colorful. Well, that's nice. We get a little double combo here. See if we get this video up to 8 minutes or so. wind died down and now it's really getting warm. I got a Union Pacific special passenger train a couple times today, so make sure you look for those videos. Absolutely beautiful gem of a train, GEM. It's a long train. There was 2 trains tied down here. I'm not sure if the other one left yet. It might have. I disappeared for about an hour chasing trains. Back where I started. There's the end. Well, I got to make up my mind where I'm going to go next. Back up into the Cajon Pass or hang out down here. There was a lot of westbound trains tied down this morning. Looks like they're all releasing now. All right, you know what to do. Subscribe, get those notifications. We love you guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Watch a few more. Take care.